Hey guys, so I ended up getting short squeezed on AWX twice, and I blew up my account twice during this move here, trying to predict the top and trying to pick it. I kept thinking I got it, and just kept getting squeezed out and having to cover, and uh, I had a tough time cutting losses. I added the positions and ended up doubling and tripling my losers. So when it finally did crack, and it was confirmed over the weekend, where everybody found out that it was being manipulated by Mint Broker, the CEO of SureTrader, and it started dumping. I didn't have an account, so when it went from 36 down to just about 6 in a day, only the entire, it gave it all back. I didn't have an account to trade, so this was kind of heartbreaking to just watch the play that blew up my account. Uh, finally fade away. So there is another stock right now that I think he's gonna be. Well, I don't want to say that. It just looks a lot like. Uh, what is it? NSYS. It looks a lot like AWX. And the reason that I say that is it's up today on no news. It doesn't normally trade on any volume. It has a super low float. It finished strong. It was up already 100% in the day. It was about 90%, and then it almost doubled again in after hours up to 928. So I would definitely keep an eye on this one, NSYS, for a long position. It doesn't have too much history of making these bull runs. I don't think it has any, to be honest. The volume on this day was just shy of half a mil. The volume today was 1.35 million. So a lot more volume. Some things to notice, just like AWX, it held up. It has a full green candle. It doesn't have any wick. Plus, it's continued into after hours. So it closed here, and where is it now? It's up here in the low nines. This thing obviously can go. I think it's already trapped some short sellers. Here we go. Here's something. There is resistance up here above 9. This is actually a second day continuation. The first day was at 6:30. It closed. It was a break-even day the second day. So I'm going to set alerts for above 950. I'm sure it'll be on watch. Obviously, the ideal entry is going to be closer to 973. We'll create an alert for there. So what I like to do here, this is what, 11/18. What day is this here? Okay, that's 2013. You'd have to go pretty far back and see the price action, but yeah, I mean, this traded on 2.2 million shares of volume. This first day, though, was only 151. This day that it was a doji, 170,000. And then this day, 200. So it's trading on way higher volume than ever before. And that was about 5 years ago. So I'm not sure how that'll hold up. It can definitely go way higher just because of the amount of volume that it has on this candle. I think it could just blow past that really old resistance level. So anyway, I would definitely keep an eye on that for a long. I'll obviously be watching it for a short, but maybe I'll wait for the first red day you know, for the first really bearish day, because, you know, even catching it on this day from $7 down, you know, to 550, that's a huge move. Instead of trying to guess where this is going to stop, just like I did on AWX, and I blew my account twice. You know, kept trying to guess where it was going to run into resistance here. I kept seeing resistance on the daily charts. You know, 320, 340. Definitely won't get over 360, right? Even going back here, more resistance at 340, which made that last peak. There was the resistance here at 389. So instead of trying to guess the top, I definitely wouldn't go over 6. 6 was a great short opportunity. Well, at 6, it just shot right through it after hours. Came back down, hit 550 under 6. Probably bearish, right? Trapped so many more shorts, and then squeezed up. Tested the 6, shorts squeezed, and then it just kept squeezing. Trapping shorts, you know, for sure. This is the top. Especially, you know, in this move here, when you see this happen, it's already starting to look weak. It's setting lower highs. Short term, I guess, downtrending. Boom, sell off. I guess 6, it held 6, so that was good. Test 6, drops below 6. I guess the support never really confirmed that it turned into resistance, so there it confirmed support, and it shot back up. So I guess my analysis on this was just way off. I was chasing. I got emotional during the trade. So anyway, moving forward, I do have a student account that I just funded. I'm changing my strategy. If you guys are interested at all, I do have a Discord group. It's called the Short Squeeze. You guys are definitely welcome to join. It's very small. It's for people who are looking to short penny stocks, short these parabolic movers. It's pretty basic. If you want to join, I'll leave the link in the description of the video so that you can join. There's just a few channels in here, and there'll be some good trade alerts in there. Yeah, so anyway, if you guys have any questions or anything at all, let me know. Thanks for your time. Take it easy.